This is your Houston chiropractor and your Houston chiropractor's wife, Renae, and office manager. So this is the end of our week. It's Thursday afternoon after 3, and I'm going to adjust Renae for all you crack addicts. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards, honey. And then neutral. Okay, you can see she's a little forward and a little bit to the right of center, but her pelvis is lined up pretty good down the center. Shoulders are fairly square. Okay, let's come over here and lay on your back. We gotta get her lined up for the weekend here. Side up just a little bit. Now Renae's probably one of the thinnest patients that I actually decompress. She's in the last pegs and has been for several years. There we go. And she's kicking beforehand. Let's see if we can make sure she's not afterwards. No, I'm kidding. Okay. That's what they want to see, you know. Nice and easy. Breathe. There you go. That was easy, wasn't it? Didn't hurt me a bit. And looky there. She's still kicking. Okay, you're supposed to breathe during the
I know.
She's only been doing this for 13, 14 years, so.
15?
15 now, excuse me. Okay. And lay on your tummy with your face up in here. Legs are even, that's a good start. Gets longer on the right, that tightened up a little in your low back. See, she's got a left SI joint right there. There we go. Let's loosen this up a little bit. You're not quite as big as some of our patients. There we go. That's L5, L4. L3,
oh God,
L2,
oh God.
Okay, just keep breathing. Good. I still got a little one right here. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. There it is, right there. That's the one that's going to help you the most. Yep, perfect. And does that tighten up as much?
No.
Still got a little bit right there. Okay, let's turn you around on your back now.
You can tell I haven't had one for a while.
Yeah, a whole week. Okay. Okay, now, put your hands there. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Renae has some stomach issues, some gastritis, and some acid reflux, so I pull her stomach down for her too. There we go. And another one. Exhale. Yep. And one more time. There we go. Good.
I felt that one pop.
Yep. Me too. Okay, relax it. There we go, baby.
Oh.
No, let this go. There. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes Renae's my worst patient.
Uh,
But y'all love her shoulder cracks. She's a crack addict's dream. There we go. They fall out of her shoulders. They're up there working on that computer so much. answering the phone, doing paperwork, messing around with Facebook.
Oh, really?
Now, we've been so busy this week, we haven't even really had a chance to do any videos, so this is kind of our catch-up video day. There we go. Okay, let's stand up here and let me shoot you. Okay. Let's forward and backwards again. That's already better.
Yeah, that was better.
Yep. Back a little bit left. You can feel a little tap right there. Another one right there. Okay. Yeah. This one should feel smoother. Yep. Looking good.
Yep.
How's it feel?
A lot better. I'm not weaving and stuff.
Okay, this is your Houston chiropractor and your Houston chiropractor's wife and Joseph coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.